Do you want a true passive income? Do you want to enjoy life without having to worry about finances? If you want to know how, stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that by harnessing the power of dividends to generate passive income. Did you know that dividends can be a significant source of income, even outpacing the growth of the stock market itself? Have you ever wondered why some investors seem to have a steady stream of income even when the stock market is volatile? The answer might surprise you: dividends. If you're ready to unlock a world where your money works harder for you, hit that like button and let's get started. This video is for informational purposes only. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. What are dividends? Dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to shareholders. It's like receiving a dividend check from the company you're invested in. There are several types of dividends, including regular dividends, special dividends, and stock dividends. Dividend investing can be powerful with many strategies. Let's discuss one of them: dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. DRIPs allow you to reinvest your dividends automatically, compounding your returns. Here are 5 dividend kings you should definitely consider. Let's kick things off with a true titan of industry, Johnson & Johnson. This company has been a cornerstone of the healthcare sector for well over a century, and its influence spans across the globe. This diversified healthcare conglomerate isn't just baby powder and band-aids, it's a powerhouse with a vast array of products and services that touch nearly every aspect of healthcare. From pharmaceuticals to medical devices and consumer health products, Johnson & Johnson has its hands in many critical areas. With over 250 subsidiaries, Johnson & Johnson operates in more than 60 countries, making it a truly global entity. Each subsidiary focuses on different aspects of healthcare, ensuring that the company remains at the forefront of innovation and service delivery. Johnson & Johnson has been paying dividends consistently for decades, increasing them for over 60 years straight. This remarkable track record has earned them the prestigious title of a Dividend King, a testament to their financial stability and commitment to returning value to shareholders. Their resilience in the healthcare sector provides a stable revenue stream, allowing them to generate consistent profits. Whether it's through their life-saving drugs, advanced medical devices, or everyday consumer health products, Johnson & Johnson continues to meet the needs of millions of people worldwide. With a fortress balance sheet and manageable debt, they have the flexibility to invest in R&D and weather economic storms. Their commitment to research and development is evident in their substantial annual investment, which fuels innovation and keeps them ahead of the competition. Johnson & Johnson offers a unique combination of stability, growth potential, and a rock-solid dividend track record. Their diversified portfolio and global reach provide a buffer against market volatility, making them a reliable choice for long-term investors. If you're looking for a set-and-forget dividend stock, Johnson & Johnson is definitely worth a closer look. Their consistent performance, robust financial health, and unwavering commitment to innovation make them a standout in the world of dividend investing. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Johnson & Johnson could be a valuable addition to your portfolio. Let's explore another dividend powerhouse, Procter & Gamble. This company is a cornerstone in the consumer goods sector, renowned for its vast array of household and personal care products. Procter & Gamble is the force behind iconic brands like Tide, Gillette, and Pampers. These brands have become household staples, trusted by millions worldwide for their quality and reliability. The company boasts a rich history, having been established over 180 years ago. Impressively, Procter & Gamble has been paying dividends for over 130 years. This enduring commitment to returning value to shareholders underscores their financial stability and operational excellence. Procter & Gamble is not just any dividend-paying company, it is a dividend aristocrat. This prestigious title is awarded to companies that have increased their dividend payments for at least 25 consecutive years. Procter & Gamble has exceeded this benchmark, increasing their dividend for over 60 years in a row. This consistent growth in dividends highlights their robust business model and dedication to rewarding shareholders. Their impressive brand portfolio generates a predictable and resilient revenue stream. With products that cater to everyday needs, Procter & Gamble enjoys steady demand, making their revenue streams less vulnerable to economic downturns. This stability is a key factor in their ability to consistently pay and increase dividends. Innovation is central to Procter & Gamble's strategy. They're continually innovating, developing new products, and expanding into new markets. Their research and development teams work tirelessly to create products that meet the evolving needs of consumers. This focus on innovation ensures that Procter & Gamble remains competitive and continues to grow. If you're seeking a company with a long history of dividend payments and a commitment to shareholder value, Procter & Gamble is worth considering. Their financial reports consistently show strong performance, and their management team is dedicated to maintaining this trajectory. Their relentless focus on growth and efficiency allows them to stay ahead of the competition and continue rewarding shareholders. Procter & Gamble's strategic investments in automation and efficiency improvements have enabled them to reduce costs and increase profitability. This, in turn, supports their ability to pay and grow dividends, making them a reliable choice for dividend-focused investors. Coca-Cola, the global dividend powerhouse. Coca-Cola's products are sold in over 200 countries, giving them unmatched global reach. Their diverse product portfolio includes juices, teas, sports drinks, and bottled water. Coca-Cola has been paying dividends for over 100 years, increasing them consistently for over 60 years. Their brand recognition and global distribution network ensure consistent revenue. Coca-Cola is constantly innovating and investing in sustainability initiatives. If you're looking for a company with a global footprint and a rock-solid dividend track record, Coca-Cola is worth considering. PepsiCo, the dividend challenger. In this chapter, we delve into the remarkable journey of PepsiCo, a company that has not only become a household name, but also a reliable dividend payer for decades. PepsiCo is a global food and beverage powerhouse with brands like Frito-Lay, Quaker Oats, and Gatorade. These brands are not just popular, they are iconic, representing quality and trust in the minds of consumers worldwide. From the crunchy delight of Frito-Lay chips to the wholesome goodness of Quaker Oats and the refreshing energy boost of Gatorade, PepsiCo's product range is vast and varied. Their diverse portfolio helps insulate them from changing consumer tastes. Whether it's a shift towards healthier eating or a craving for indulgent snacks, PepsiCo has something for everyone. This adaptability is key to their sustained success, allowing them to cater to a wide array of preferences and trends. PepsiCo has been paying dividends for over 50 years, increasing them for 49 consecutive years. This impressive track record showcases their commitment to returning value to shareholders. The consistency in their dividend payments is a testament to their robust financial health and strategic foresight. Their global reach and strong brand power provide consistent revenue. PepsiCo operates in over 200 countries, making it a truly global entity. This extensive market presence ensures a steady stream of income, even when certain regions face economic challenges. The brand loyalty they enjoy across different cultures and demographics further strengthens their market position. PepsiCo is constantly innovating and investing in healthier options and sustainability. They are not just resting on their laurels. They are actively seeking ways to improve, from developing new, healthier products to implementing sustainable practices. PepsiCo is committed to making a positive impact on both consumers and the planet. Their innovation labs are at the forefront of this transformation, driving change and setting new standards in the industry. If you're looking for a company with a diverse portfolio and a strong commitment to dividend growth, PepsiCo is worth considering. Their proven track record, global reach, and continuous innovation make them a solid choice for investors seeking stability and growth. With PepsiCo, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in a legacy of excellence and reliability. 3M, the dividend diversification king. 3M makes thousands of products from Post-it notes to respirators. Their incredible diversification makes them resilient to economic downturns. 3M has been paying dividends for over 100 years, increasing them for over 60 consecutive years. They generate billions in free cash flow, allowing heavy investment in R&D. With over 100,000 patents, 3M is constantly innovating and evolving. If you're looking for a dividend stock with stability and growth potential, 3M is worth a closer look. Start building your dividend portfolio today. With dividends, you can achieve financial freedom with a true passive income. It's up to you. You have the knowledge. Now, what are you going to do with it? You have a head start with 5 incredible companies with proven dividend track records. Building a strong dividend portfolio takes time and thorough research, but the rewards can be significant. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more insightful financial tips. Check out this video about investing for beginners and 5 stock every investor should own.